So, welcome back. I didn't realise the calendar disappeared. So, it's the 22nd of December. Very late putting this up, but just a quick reminder, this is the home of the worst investor on YouTube, right? Particularly in UK. That's where I am. And that's why it's called How Not to Invest in UK, and I've already realised one mistake I made this week. Well, technically last week, but I realised it this week. But in the moment, there was, a position that hadn't been in the green for years. At that point, suddenly up 67 quid. Took a chance on that, and I'll explain in a bit. So, to kick off a very late entry of this, we started off with the first payment from the Yield Max. Yes, I know they're not popular, but there we are. It's not about it's about the income as opposed to the capital appreciation. That's the correct word. So, 83 pence for that. 65 pence from the Yield Max. This is MSTR, short for MicroStrategy, which is all to do with crypto. Option income there, strategy. Should just be MSTR, or maybe MSTR income. I don't know, whatever confused when they want to explain it. And then we had the first of three Global X funds. That was 40 pence for the Euro Stocks 50. Then 50 pence for the Nasdaq 100. And 46 pence for the S&P 500. So then we've got the income shares. I know I got different providers of the same thing. Whichever one proves to be more fruitful over the course of next year will have much more money put towards it. Simple as that. 59 pence from them. And they got different strategies, I know. 70 pence then from the Nasdaq 100. Then they had their very unique Gold Plus yield. I like this one. I still got 2 shares because it's sharp in price. 31 pence for that, which is the highest payout so far. I've still only got the 1 silver. Again, that's sharp in price. So, just keep the portfolio okay. 79 pence from those. Then we had a JP Morgan Emerging Markets. I've still only got 30 of that. 30 shares, yeah, but, I need to start rounding them up a bit, don't I? Despite the capital appreciation they've been going through. Invesco Income Bond Plus, that's $1.53 for 50 shares. That's a nice payout, but I think it's quite a bit of a pricey one, this is, or is it maybe only £1.50 odd? That's quite good. Let's have a look. Aberdeen Asian Income is out of the portfolio because it went through a phase. Decided to check it in and decided to take it out. But it's 86 pence from them. Primary Health Properties 1953. Now this is increased. I was thinking maybe it's because they've taken on Assura. There's some sort of something about a dividend being paid, but that's from the Assura side. Turns out this reason why this is increased is because they bought an extra 100 shares, didn't I? Yes, of course I remember now. So that's why that went up. Foresight Solar, £2.03 from them, still only got 100 shares. Diverse Income, still only 100 shares, but again, I think that one's down, so it should be under that. That one went up, and I decided not to add to it. But I do like it as a stock. Bankers Investment Trust, still only got 20, but it's up, and it's like, do I do? Considering this is supposed to be an income portfolio, I don't half sort of quibble over capital gains. Everybody else seems to be making them apart from me. So 40 pence from those. And then we've got the Global X Super Dividend one. That's 4 shares. I do like the way they've finally done this. And they've got the actual... This bit I do like because it saves me to go back to my folder to sort of work out which one. Because sometimes it doesn't give you the ticker symbol in the picture there. So I like the fact they got the symbol here. The only thing I don't like so far about the change is the search option. Because I used to be able to go in the search, down the side, look at London and see all the different sectors available and all different stocks in each one. Can't do that anymore. So that's really annoying. That's the only really big annoying change. They need to sort that one out. The search was fine. There was nothing wrong with the search part, but you changed it. So there we are. So 22 pence for the super dividend. Then the usual big monthly payer from PIMCO. You were short-term high yield corporate bond, and that was £11.8. So then we had green coat, only 200 shares for those, £2.59. That's down. I should really be adding to it, but I don't know. Rex crypto equity, why not? Income and growth, 75 pence for them. Only got 2 shares in a minute. Then the last two, so we got Bloomsbury Publishing, 41 pence from those. This was actually at like £6. I wouldn't say in terms of the actual stock. I thought, well, I bought it for the longer terms, I'll leave it be, but maybe I should have sold it and wait to come down in price. I don't know. And then the second one then, actually from the big tech option. So these are ones that pay sometimes twice in the same month, but it works out to be about 12 payments over the year. Alright, so that's that one. That was 79 pence. So that gave me a total for the month of 47.32. Doesn't seem much according to how many flipping positions got paid. And then an annual so far of £946.73. However, that's including return of capital. Take that out, and I'm £790.75 so far. And even though last year was 1,100 and like £60, that did contain a little bit of return of capital. But, well, they did actually include like 1,000 at one stage, but that was completely separated out because it was too big because the whole thing was sold and sent back to me. It's got quiet, right? No, actually, there's cash off of the fund. They returned all the cash. That's it. It was a lovely way they did it, and that didn't include that, but because there was like smaller amounts on the same stock in particular, so I'm doing that one. However, I've also worked on my yield on cost for the first time ever, which is 5.56%. So that's not bad. Just means the portfolio itself is still down. I think, what am I down now? Here we look. Still down 21.8%, so 16 if you add in the yield on cost. So yeah, well, 16 bounded anyway. Would be per Pacific. No, it is 16.7%. There we are. So that's it. Good luck for the rest of the month. We haven't got long left. It's going to be quiet now because you're going to have early shut down on Christmas Eve. Christmas Day will be closed. Boxing Day will be closed. Early shut down New Year's Eve. So there shouldn't be too much going on in the world to shock the markets and cause mayhem. Hopefully not. And then I'll see you sort of 1st or 2nd January. Try and keep it early, right? Get sort of not lazy with it. I do get lazy with it. See you next month. And remember, this is not advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. Which is interesting because I bore myself half the time. Anyway, good luck.